Hello everyone, today we have a 2016 Honda Odyssey EX-L. This one does have the 3.5 liter engine. Let me go ahead and close this up and take for a tour. This one does have a sunroof, alloy wheels. It does have a Coolbox inside that you can have cooled stowage. This one also has a tow package. It's fairly rare on these. It does have a lot of stowage room. And it does have that additional seat, so it will seat 8. It obviously folds down into an armrest and cup holder. It's a gray leather interior. There's a shot of the VIN right there. All right, here's your push to talk, your infotainment, your cruise control, your lights. So you come up here, you see that you have 66,190 miles on this vehicle. All right, you see that you also have heated seats, which is super nice on a day like today. And using the steering wheel is what I'm using for this. You see that you have AM, FM, and XM. You can also use your Bluetooth as a source. See, as we come down here, you also have a CD drive that you see. You have a disc. All right. And then you can also connect to your phone. So, there's our rear audio source. You also have a DVD player in this one. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put it in reverse so you can see the backup camera. It also has guides right there. Okay, you come down here, you've got your USB ports down here. You also have your other power supplies and your rear DVD player. And then down here, this is your Coolbox right here. You can turn that on with this button right here, and it will cool what's in that box. And you also have your additional stowage. Okay, come up here, you've got your sunroof. And then you have your entertainment package screen right here. All right. And that about wraps it up for this Honda. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact here on the passenger front quarter panel. The airbags did deploy. There was also damage back here in the very back in the middle. There was no structural damage, so we were able to get it all fixed up. It has passed a 150-point inspection in the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.